Some days you're the chicken, and some days you're the poop. Today, I am the poop. Hi guys, welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. I'm Ginger. Thanks for stopping by. I'm actually gonna do a little bit of clean out on the chicken pen, but I am going to kind of revamp it a little to make some nesting boxes. This goes back to all of our 4Rs things, the collaborations that we've had, the mentions that we've had in all of our mini videos of how we just use what we have around the homestead. So I need to make some nesting boxes, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go out and start digging around in the shed, see what we've saved. And that's why you stockpile all that junk that's outside. You think one day I'm gonna use this for something very productive. Not today, but one day. So I think I have found the perfect thing. I mean, it's not the perfect thing, but it's gonna work. So we're gonna get after cleaning the chicken pen area and making them some nesting boxes. It's gonna be amazing. So I wanted to make sure and do a before and an after. So you're gonna get to see the progression and then what I use. So let's go. I know. This is my favorite girl. Do you want to say hello? Show them how pretty you are. Yes. She's so pretty. I like her. She's my best friend. She's my best chicken friend, aren't you? She's my best chicken friend. Okay. I'm trying to make you a nesting box. Alright, go play. I know. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I know. You're making me the crazy chicken lady. Okay, let's get back to work. Alright. So here is my ingenious idea. These are crates that produce comes in to the produce department at grocery stores, and they just toss these away and into the garbage they go. So they have a little lid that has wire latches. So I'm gonna get these opened up because I got these for free. Another, again, 4R thing. And I'm gonna put some hay in them, and I'm gonna put them along this wall. So I have one that has the lid already cut off. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work better. I may put that one down by this end that has the little underside of the house. So, but we'll get it all set up and see how it works, and then get some hay in it, and hopefully these younger chickens that are now of laying age, the younger chickens that are of laying age will start laying. So let's get to work. So we got the boxes all put in place, and the girls are already trying to climb on them, and I don't even have the hay in there yet. So I'm gonna go grab some hay, fill them with hay, put a little along the backside, and we'll see how it does. Hopefully they'll like it. They seem like they already like it. So, all right, I'll get some hay. Out, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. No fighting. Alright. Let's scooch you a little closer together. There we go. And I'm going to fill this little one over here with some fresh hay. There we go. I know. You just want to get after it, don't you? Just get in here and make it your own. See how it goes. All right, my ladies. Okay, I think everybody is pretty happy with them. Well, let's just take a peek-see here. I may have to do a little more stabilizing to those dividers because they seem to want to jump on those. I just cut the tops off of the crates and put them between to kind of like give them some privacy. Like, here's your restroom, here's your restroom, here's your restroom. I don't know. I just thought it would be nice. So I'm gonna have to do a little more stabilizing on these things. I mean, it's a chicken. They don't care if it's pretty. They just want to be able to sit in it and give me some eggs. As now I have 3 nesting boxes, and in the little chicken house here, there is a laying box at the very end right there. So that's going to give me four laying boxes. So that's pretty exciting. So I say to all you chickens, go forth and give me lots of butt nuggets, please. Now that you have laying boxes. I got to use something that I found in the shed, you know, that was right here on the homestead. Oh, hello, sweet girl. This is my favorite. She knows it too. She is aware. I hope they like it. They seem to be doubling up. Oh, somebody just took out a divider. Okay, I'm definitely going to have to figure out something for that, because that's not a good thing. So, anyways, all right, guys, take care of you and yours. Go use something out of your shed or on your property. Recycle it. Make it into something new and useful for something else. You know you've been saving it, and it's just been hanging out. I'm sweating again. It's just been hanging around, not getting good use, and you can put it to use for something else that you need it for. So take care of you and yours. God bless, and we'll see you in our next video.